Tesla Model 3 new version, the installation tutorial. First, turn off the car. Remove these 3 screws from the interior panel and glass door. Remove the doorbell. Remove the door. Pull out all the cables and plugs on the door panel. Unplug the speaker cable. Unscrew the 2 screws on the glass. Remove the rubber sleeve. Remove all the screws from the inner glass cover plate. Take out the inner cover. Second, replace lock. Remove 3 screws of the limit switch lock block. Pull out the plug, take out the original lock. Take out the IC lock block, put on the pull wire. Take out the IC.
Find the outer wire and plug it into the lock. Use the screws provided by us to reset and tighten. Pull the wire through this hole and out the outer wire.
Plug the other end in place. Find this circular button switch and buckle it at the position of the handle.
Here, the wiring needs attention. Remove the 3 screws of the limiter.
Remove the original limiter.
Take out the original position of the limit.
Tighten the 3 screws. 3-wire bundle wiring.
If you don't know how to connect the wires, you can take a screen.
Remove the lower cover. Unplug all the plugs. Remove the sill strip.
Pull out the door connection. Pass the conduit through the door.
Tie up the power cord.
After wiring, go to the underside of the passenger seat.
Remove the sill strip.
Pass the conduit to the driver's seat.
Tie the power cord. Pull the wire to the co-driver.
Open the front trunk cover and remove it. Pass the wire to the passenger seat at this position. Tie and connect the power cord.
Follow this position to the power source. Unscrew the power nut. Put on our power plug. Hide the harness, then cover the cover.
Connect the main driver's plug.
The ground wire's position. Tie the harness with the original car's harness. Install the ground wire. Plug in the power and signal wires. Plug in the protocol cable.
Tie all the wires tightly with the original wires.
Cut off the excess length of the tie wrap and install it. Reset all the screws of the cover plate.
Install the controller at the controller position.
Tie the tape to prevent noise.
Plug in the door button. Plug
and plug in this blue plug.
Fourth, install the glass and find the screw holes.
Screw in the screws and close the door. Find the glass position. After confirming the position, you can tighten the screws. Install the glass rubber sleeve and the door panel rubber sleeve. Fasten the door handle cable.
And install all the door panel plugs.
Then restore the door panel. Tighten the 3 screws. Install the small speaker.
Put on the waterproof rubber sleeve.
Cover the main driver's footrest.
And reset the main driver's threshold.
After all the things are reset, set the gyroscope. 5th, effect display.
Finally, let's take a look at the effect display.
The door handle opens and closes.
With someone to rely on, I won't have too much on mine.
Step on the brake too.
On the brake to close. Can you let me go, this time in life? Sometimes I'm clearly tired, but don't know why.
Anti-violent slam before installing the door.